আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো সকলোৱে এটা লাইক কৰিবলৈ একেবাৰে নাপাহৰিব। তাতোতকৈ প্ৰয়োজনীয় যে আপোনালোকে এটা শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ একেবাৰে নাপাহৰিব আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীৰ সৈতে। যদিহে আপোনালোকৰ হোৱাটছএপ গ্ৰুপ আছে সকলো হোৱাটছএপ গ্ৰুপতে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব এই ভিডিঅ'টো, কাৰণ ওৱান অফ দ্য বিগেষ্ট নিউজ ফৰ নিউজ কেণ্ডিডেট। এই বাতৰিটো বা এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই আপোনালোকে গম পাব যে আগন্তুক DWGLPUP মেৰিট লিষ্ট ওলাব। তাত নিউজ প্ৰাৰ্থীসকলৰ কিমান আচলতে সুবিধা অসুবিধা হ'ব সেই কথাখিনি গম পাব। একেবাৰে শেষলৈকে চাই থাকিব, গোটেই কথাখিনি কেতিয়াও মিছ নকৰিব। আৰম্ভণিৰ পৰা একেবাৰে শেষলৈকে চালেহে কিন্তু গোটেই কথাখিনি গম পাব। নিউজৰ সম্পৰ্কে বুলি ডাইৰেক্ট কথা নাই, কিন্তু 2017 চনৰ যি ষ্টেট পুল আৰু SSA নিযুক্তি হৈছিলে, সেই ষ্টেট পুল আৰু SSA নিযুক্তিৰ সৈতে জড়িত আজি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ এটা বিষয় গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টত ডিছকাছ হ'ল। আৰু সেই গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টৰ যি চিফ জাষ্টিছজনে নিউজ সম্পৰ্কে কি ক'লে সেই গোটেই কথাখিনি আপোনালোকে নিজেই শুনক। মই আপোনালোকক বেলেগকৈ নকওঁ তেওঁ কি ক'লে। গতিকে একেবাৰে শেষলৈকে চাব, কণ্টিনিউ চাব, তেতিয়াহে গম পাব যে তেওঁ আচলতে কি ক'লে। আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে নিজেই অনুমান কৰিব পাৰিব যে কিমান নিউজ প্ৰাৰ্থীসকলৰ সুবিধা আৰু অসুবিধা আছে আগন্তুক যি মেৰিট লিষ্ট প্ৰকাশ পাব। পিটিশ্যনাৰে হওক বা আন যিসকলে এপ্লাই কৰিছে তেওঁলোকেই হওক, কিমান সুবিধা অসুবিধা হ'ব সেয়া নিজে গম পাব। ভিডিঅ'টো একেবাৰে কণ্টিনিউ শেষলৈকে চাওক আৰু আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীৰ সৈতে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ একেবাৰে নাপাহৰিব। এটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয় আলোচনা হ'ল নিউজ সম্পৰ্কে, যিটো নেকি জড়িত আছিলে 2017 চনৰ যি ষ্টেট পুল আৰু SSA নিযুক্তি দিছিলে সেই শিক্ষকসকলৰ সৈতে জড়িত এটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ বিষয় গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টত আজি ষ্টাডি হৈছিলে আৰু মই আপোনালোকক সেইটো শুনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ।
So, Color, I've been told by Mr. PN that a affidavit has been sent for vetting. Mr. B. Kaushik Lanet, Standing Counsel, Secondary Education, Elementary Education Department has submitted that the affidavit on behalf of the said authorities would be filed within a week from today. So, accordingly, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Not 11,000 excess appointment. Now, I will rely on their own affidavit. First, if your lordship will kindly come to their affidavit, that is where our case rests. Please come to my lord, page 77. That with paragraph 3. That with regards to paragraph 2, 3, 11 and 12 of the petition, the deponent begs to state that Assam Kharba-Shiksha Abhiyan Mission had published advertisement for 704 to number of post of contractual assistant teacher while engagement notice dated 30th June 17. In the advertisement, it was clearly mentioned that number of vacancies may increase. In the meantime, a communication was received from Government of India while later dated 3/8/2017 regarding last chance to acquire the requisite minimum qualification by elementary level teachers within 31st of March 2019. In the letter, the broad strategy was mentioned to complete the training of untrained teachers by 31st of March 2019 as a last chance. As 31st March 19 was the last date of acquiring the professional qualification by elementary level untrained teachers, the matter was considered with utmost seriousness, and considering the requirement of teachers in the elementary level schools in the state, a decision was taken to fill up the state pool of teachers from remaining eligible candidates in order of merit of the above mentioned engagement process on the basis of provision mentioned in the advertisement dated 37/2017, that is number of vacancy may increase. This was done keeping in view the emergent situation that as the National Institute of Open School, a registration for admission into 2-year DLed was supposed to be closed on 15/9/2017. If the state pool of teachers was to be filled up by fresh advertisement, it would not be possible to enroll the untrained assistant teachers of the state pool in NIOS within 15/9/2017. Considering the same, these teachers were engaged against state pool on the basis of provisions contained in the advertisement. Now, my lord will kindly come to their own document. First, please come to page number 88. Now, they are referring to this 3rd August 2017 communication. Now, this refers to whom? This is regarding training of untrained in-service elementary teachers.
Now, this is your grievance.
Now,
what is your grievance, Mr. Chaudhary?
Our grievance is, my lord.
These people were recruited.
No, we didn't participate in that because the posts were limited. Now, this post they should have advertised.
No, what right has accrued to these persons who have now come within the state pool?
No.
Have they given permanency?
Oh, my lord. The situation is They were contractual teachers.
They are continuing as contractual teachers.
Yes. No, before that, if your lordship will kindly come to one page number 91.
I'm there.
Page number 91. This is a notification issued by the Government of India, 13th of April 2017. Please come to page 92, Roman 6, Roman 4. Advertisement for appointment of teachers should be given wide publicity, including outside the state. Now, the advertisement was for 7042. Now, they have appointed additional 11,000 teachers.
Around another 3,000 plus teachers they have appointed without an advertisement. That is your case.
So, our case is they have appointed additional 11,000.
No, 7,000 plus 11,000.
Yes.
But the figure everywhere is only 11,000.
No, additionally.
7,000 plus 11,000.
11,000. We are saying you can't fill up these 11,000, sir, because we could have applied because you were supposed to advertise.
Maybe you have not been briefed. Yes, Mr. Bora. How are you permitting this? All these 11,000 people are 18-month diploma.
This case, my lord.
Just a moment. This will not pass. Don't think that I'm going to pass an order. It's a matter which will require deliberation. But a query. All this 11,000, whether they are 7,000 plus 3,000 or 7,000 plus 11,000, different issue. All are 18 months DLN. Huh? Okay, and how are you continuing doing their service after the Supreme Court decision? Forget it. Tell me, how are you continuing with their services after the Supreme Court decision, wherein 18 months had been held to be not equivalent to 2 years?
Here the AG will appear, my lord, without. AG will be out of station, my lord. So fix it any other date, AG will appear.
Mr. Decca, there is a recent judgment of the Supreme Court. Yes, 18 months. These were all done in terms of that Patna and Tripura High Court, wherein 18 months was held to be equivalent to 2 years. There is a latest judgment, I'm sorry, this is my problem, I don't remember, of the Supreme Court from Gujarat. Gujarat, I suppose that case had arisen. Same issue, wherein it is said 18 months will not be equivalent to 24 months. So these all appointees are illegal appointees.
Yes.
You develop your case on that. We will interfere. You got my point? On the prayer made on behalf by Mr.
There is no clarity in the affidavit whether it is 7,000 plus and so much 11.
I drew an impression.
Language, it is 11,000 additional.
I drew an impression that it is 7,000 plus.
No, 11,000
X is equal. If 11,000 is totally in excess, you can't have an increase. And Mr. Counsel, also notice one point. Your justification is to the extent that 31(7), the limitation under the RT Act would kick in. So before that, we want trained teachers.
In service.
In-service trained teachers. So you have brought in them so that they can undergo that 18 months course. Now the 18 months course is held to be not equivalent. So take a decision, remove them, advertise this post.
Even the numbers of teachers will not fixed.
I can understand 7,000 plus 3,000, 11,000. 7,000 plus 11,000 is not permissible, Mr. Counsel. 7,000 plus 11,000 will not be permissible. That we will devise means to understand.
Page 62 and 63 is very clear. Page 62 for a moment of the writ petition. This is for the information, merit list for the post of teachers, etc., advertisement and so and so. Final merit list is website. So this is regarding 7,042. Then the next page, it is for the general information that 11,319 number of 10 qualified candidates have been notified to be engaged as
Let the AG appear. We will not take the call now. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the SSA authority has submitted that the Learned Advocate General Assam shall address this court on behalf of the respondent authorities in the matter. Also, accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up after 18th of this month. Matter on 25. 25, it's okay?
Yes.
25/6.